Hello, hello, okay. Uh, Welcome everyone, thank you for being here, thank you for supporting us, thank you to our coaches. CJ's here, thank you to our sponsors, Werner Enterprises. But yes, we are the Werner Enterprises team. Our app was the trailer tracking and weather app, and we're just gonna go ahead and dive into this presentation. I got my team here, we'll introduce them in a little bit, but to start off, I just want to talk about our company. So we were thankful to work with Werner Enterprises, and if you guys don't know, they are a premier transportation and logistics company based here in Omaha, Nebraska. They have trailers and truck drivers all over North America, so this includes Mexico, Canada, and the United States. Our project goal was to provide new maps and widgets, and you'll see some of these widgets when we show some of the screenshots, or guys can come by to our breakout, not our breakout, our booth in one of the breakout rooms. And yeah, our goal was also to help Werner Associates understand the road ahead, and not only the truck drivers, but also the people that were in their desks at the office. So if they wanted to know where a trailer was or how the wind and weather conditions are, they can easily do that within the widgets in our application. But we'll be talking more about that. So I'll go ahead and pass it on to Chase to talk about our stakeholders. Thank you.
Thanks, Juan. So I just wanted to introduce some of the stakeholders with the project. And if you're in the audience, feel free to give us a wave. First of all, we have our project liaison, who is Robin Whitehead. She's a UI and UX manager at Werner. And we were super thankful to have Robin as our project liaison. She was super helpful the entire year, getting us support whenever we needed it. We also have Danny Lilly, Tristan Nolan, and Christian Zuka. And also wanted to shout out Robin Suda for always being willing to help the team out with anything that we needed throughout the year. And also just some extra support. Our tribe lead was Bhuvana Gopal, and our project manager was Melanie Kugler-Wright. And of course, our fantastic coach, CJ O'Hara. So the users of the app will include Werner truck drivers who are going to use the application to assess road conditions and plan for any hazards ahead on the route. And other users will include Werner employees, such as fleet managers who are using the application to locate trailers and assist the Werner truck drivers in whatever they need. And we'll talk about this here in a little bit. Sorry. I just wanted to go ahead and let the team introduce themselves.
Hi everyone, my name is Tai Vo. I am a developer of the team.
Hi, my name is Song Zhang. I'm a developer for the team.
Hi, my name is Chase Hermark. I'm the dev manager for the team.
And I'm Juan Guzman. I was a squad lead and product manager. And to my right in that picture is Karnav Patel, and he sadly wasn't able to make it because he fell ill. I hope he's in Zoom. Hi, Karnav, we miss you. And yeah, I'm going to pass it here.
And hello, my name is Callan, and I'm another developer on the team.
I'm going to go ahead and pass it off to Song.
Hi there. So for our problem and opportunity in our project, our problem was that we wanted to provide independent tools to Werner employees, and these tools would help them communicate with their drivers and be in this Ionic framework. So the Ionic framework is one where you can create an app and then it will work on mobile, desktop, and Android or iOS devices. And this app will empower the workers in what they do on a day-to-day basis. So our solution for that was to create these functional widgets in Ionic that can be used by the drivers and their staff. And then to do that, we had to implement several mapping APIs, and those were all in different tabs in the application. So for our solution build, you see on the left here, there's two tabs. One is our wind tab and one is our weather tab. So these are road conditions that really affect how drivers approach the road and how they go about their day-to-day. One of the biggest use cases that they wanted us to focus on was wind data, and using the Windy Map API on the left here, you can see that there's the lines showing where the wind is, what direction the wind is going. and then the colors correspond to the intensity of the wind. So this allows drivers to assess the risk and make decisions on, if there's straight line winds, 50 miles per hour going from a certain direction, maybe they can't be driving for a certain portion of the day. So our solution lets them see that. And then there's actually, if you see the little play button on it, they can kind of look into the future a little bit, see what's coming up next, and then make decisions based on that. So I'm going to pass it off to Callan to continue talking about a solution.
So we also made a application to better allow the drivers to find trailers. So you see on this screenshot, the farthest on the left, that is the initial thing that you see when you go to that tab, and it shows all 33,000 trailers that Werner has. And this quickly allows people to see what trailers are where, and we give them a better way to find them. So we also have a double search bar, and this gives the users multiple options to be able to search for the trailers. So one of the things that can be done is you can search for a trailer number. This will allow a truck driver to be able to be assigned a trailer number and go find it, or a specific trailer that needs maintenance, and they can go specifically find it. This is not a quick and easy job right now at Werner, and this will save them a lot of time. You can also just search by a location and a radius. This allows them to be able to search a location like a drop yard and then give them a certain radius, and they can see all the trailers in a drop yard. This is currently tracked by spreadsheets and stuff like that, and this will quickly allow people to be able to go and find maintenance and go find the trucks instead of walking around the yards to go count them. We also have a way that you can click on these pins and give quick information about this trailer. You can see this on the far right. This gives them information such as address, longitude, latitude, and last time it was updated. So they can see this is out-of-date information, if the trailer tracking GPS module battery has died, and also says if it has cargo. I'm now going to hand it off to Song for the value and highlights, or Ty.
So now I'm going to talk about some of the values and highlights that, of this project. For the values of this project, the Werner employees can now access to the weather and windy information easily. They can view all the windy information or weather information at a certain location easily, and they can also locate any Werner trailer around the world efficiently. And for the highlights of the project, that we developed a hybrid meeting schedule system to work as a team. At the beginning, it was very difficult for us to set up a schedule that worked for everyone, but we figured out that, and everyone happy with that. Also, we learned how to implement different kinds of mapping API, like Trimple Map or Google Map or Windy Map APIs in an Angular application. Most of the team members did not have the experience in this before, so it's very challenging for us. But finally, we overcome that. And last but not least, we successfully transitioned the application to Werner and ready to use for employees. So now I'm going to pass it to Juan for the conclusion.
That's all from us. Thank you guys for listening, and Werner Enterprises as well, and all our coaches. Thank you.